Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Professor Sistrunk, and I want to reach out to all of my students. Yes, the semester is about to begin. Today is Friday, and I am going to send out a detailed video log to all of you so you will know exactly what you have to do in your class. Now, it's important that you get into class mode now. The semester is starting. I need you to do your job because I'm about to do mine. In a minute, you're going to see me walk through your particular class and show you what you need to know. Now, in this video log, you're going to make a comment when you get into class about just introducing yourself to your fellow students so we all can get to know each other. It's important that you do that because that will be an assignment that you have completed, and that will actually keep you in my class. You know that if you do not log in at a certain time, we got to go through what we call dropping people from classes. Do not be one of those students that get dropped. Let me say this again. Do not be one of the students who get dropped because you didn't sign in and complete an assignment. Okay, so you're going to have until Wednesday to complete this assignment. Get her done. That's my way of saying get things done. Okay, so let's begin by going over here and me doing a demonstration of what you have to do in your particular class. Make sure you watch this entire video because you do not want to miss something. What's important, the first thing that I'm going to show you is you must log into your class. The second thing is get familiar with your class by starting off with the syllabi. Syllabus, syllabi, same thing. Make sure you go into your syllabus and go through it thoroughly. It's important that you do that. Do not bypass the syllabi. Okay, then you're going to search around and look around and just see all the bells and whistles that's connected to this car. What is the car? Your class. You want to make sure you understand the vehicle that you're about to ride in to complete this course and get that magical grade we call an A. Okay, so let's get ready to go here. Also, one most important thing is this. If you have any problems on your journey through this class, make sure you reach out to me first. Now, I'm going to say this because this is important. Do not wait. If you have a problem, reach out to me. Let me help you through the process. Many of you will not need help, but for those of you who will need help, please reach out to me. Do not wait. I always had that student saying, well, I thought I could figure it out, Professor. Oh, I was going to give you an email. I was going to send you an email later on. And then we get to the point where you missed the date to complete an assignment, and now you know me. I have to give you that magical grade that you want, like. I'm sorry, but that's the truth. Okay, so let's go over to the computer now and start walking through your particular class. Let's go. All right. So here is your class, NETI 104, Introduction to Networking. Woohoo! Give yourself a hand, Okay, so this class is basically going to take you through understanding Network Plus. In other words, understanding network in general. But I want you to see this as a student. So I'm going to click over here on Student View. Now, you won't have any of that, but I will. So the first thing I want to point out, this is your home page. You already know this, but I want to stress this so you can see what we're looking at. So I'm on my home page, you on your home page, and you will see this the same way. You got a to-do list over here to do things that keep you up to what happened, what's going to happen day to day. And you got here an announcement. I want to welcome all of you guys. I already sent you an earlier welcome. Now I'm sending you this video so you'll know what to do. Next thing you have is your discussion question. I'm not going to click on that because this here will play a part in the discussion question. You're going to see me listed it. Put this into the link, and all you have to do is click on it and make sure you answer the question. This week we want to get to know each other. We want each one of us to tell a little something about ourselves. So I'm going to leave that I'm not going to click on that link right now because you're going to get a chance to read it. Now, I'm going to send you this video so you're going to already be prepped and prepared to tell me something about yourself. But then I want you to go to the syllabi. I want you to do the discussion question. That's why I'm sending you this video, because that's going to lock you into the class. Remember, if you don't have an assignment completed by a certain amount of time, I have to drop you. This is the school policy. I have no control over that. So do not get upset with me. You know you have to do your work. And for those of you students who are wondering when this class will open, the class is normally open early, but I say to each student, relax. The class starts on the 24th, so don't push it. Don't get deep off into it. This is a virtual class. I'm going to be sending videos out to you, lectures and stuff, so you can actually see what I'm doing or how I'm lecturing you on this to keep you on pace. But sit back and relax. Do not panic. Don't rush. Don't get nervous. I have you all the way through the class. It's just important for you to reach out to me when you feel a little hesitant. Just reach out and I'll clear up everything. Okay? I had a student email me today and say, hey, Professor Sistrunk, when is the course going to open up? That's cool. That's okay. It's a righteous move. But don't worry. The 24th, you know that's when class starts. Okay? With that being said, you're going to click on the syllabus. Now, on the syllabus, you're going to see a lot of information blanked out because I'm putting this on YouTube and I don't want everybody emailing me and saying, hey, who are you? I just want this to go to you so you see this blanked out. But when you log into the class, you'll be able to see all this information about me and stuff like that. Here is the book you're going to have. As you can see, you don't have to purchase the book. The book is built into the course. Let me say that again. You do not have to purchase the book if you don't want to. The book is built into the course. So please, please do not rush out to buy the book if you don't want to. If you just want to have a book, that's cool. Go ahead and purchase. I believe in this author. This is a good author. There's several of them who put this material together. They consistently build books. So you can go ahead and reach out and buy the book if you want to. If you do not want to, everything is in the course. Let me move forward. You should read your syllabus, people. Do not play with the syllabus. Know exactly what you should know. Know the description of what you will be getting out of this class. And most importantly, read through your outcomes, because at the end of this class, you should know how to do this. Do you know how many students out there complete a class and you give them one of these learning objectives, and a learning objective that's a part of an 8-week class, they can't do it? What is going on here? So make sure you read these learning objectives, because this is what you want to know when you come out of the class. One of the learning objectives is, given a scenario, provide appropriate network troubleshooting and set up using industry standard tools. So you should be able to do that on a wireless and a wired network. Come on, people, you can do it. You got skills. Okay, moving on down, you have many of the administrative policies, so I'm going to skip through that. You're going to read this to stay in the court. But what's important right now is how we will break down giving your percentage points, and then we get to the magic thing, when things must be completed. Make sure everything is done on time. People, understand this. Due dates are important. If you do not have something completed in the due date, you know what must happen, not what will happen, what must happen. I am really, really stern when it comes to completing things on time. If you're having a problem with getting something done on time, don't communicate with me on Sunday at 10:59 and say, hey, Professor, can we talk? No, it should be as early as possible. Okay, your discussion question when the class opens will be completed Wednesday. And what I mean by completed Wednesday, always remember your initial discussion question has to be done by Wednesday at 11:55. So that means you got 3 days to get it done. Get her done. Okay, in other words, complete the assignment. So with that being said, that's what you will go into. Now I'm going to come out here because I'm going to show you that you have another portal that's connected in here that will send you to where you'll do the bulk or the majority of your work. Remember, you got work to do in the discussion session. Woohoo! Work you got to complete to tell me about you, to have discussions about lessons, to look at the video logs that I see. But when you click on modules, and let's click on modules. Now you're going to see a lot of stuff in here that don't apply to you. So let me get to what applies to you. So when you click on modules, this applies to you right here. So let's say you click on read chapter 1. Once you click on that, that's going to teleport you to another portal where you will have assignments to do. And I'm going to send you a video log on how to connect to that teleportal. But you must first do it through your iRelearn account. So you have to be in here to do it. So if I click on here, you're going to see something strange. You're going to see this. And trust me, don't follow this because you got more stuff to go through. What you will have to do is create an account. But hey, I'm going to send you a video log to show you how to do it. So don't panic. But when you get in here, I'm going to see if I can log in. If I can't log in, don't laugh at the professor. Please don't laugh. When you log in here, if it allows me to go in, when you log in, see, I made a mistake already. The professor made a mistake. Let's see what we got going on here. Oh, I got all, guess what, guys? Even though I made a mistake, I got all caps on. What's wrong with the professor? But anyway, let's try it again. Okay, so even I make mistakes. You saw I just made a simple little mistake and it didn't allow me to log in. So my computer is moving just a tad bit slow. Now, when you get in here, these are the things you're going to see. But remember, listen to me carefully. You have to begin to build your account before you get to this phase. But this is where you're going to do the bulk of all your work. And listen, look at the video logs in detail. That means sit back, relax, get you a cup of coffee, maybe a pop. I don't drink soda. It's not good for you, even though I just got through drinking one. Haha. But anyway, sit back and relax, and then be able to go through your chapters. We got a lot of material to cover, but it's not going to be no pressure. The quicker you get in there and do your work, start doing your work, the better off we'll be. So the video that I'm going to see, you're going to explain all of this. You're going through your chapter. You're getting work done. You're learning. I am actually going to do a PowerPoint presentation on a lot of this stuff in here. But I just want to give you a heads up when the class starts. Try your best to look through the whole video log, this whole video log that I'm going through. If you need to take a break, take a break. I'm going to have little break sessions in here, but take a break if you can. But anyway, go through it. So this was your first view at the course. It's some good material in here. I think you guys will really like what's in here. You're going to see all type of things I set up in here for you to learn. And just remember, even though it's a lot of activities in here, stay focused on what must be completed. Okay, just make sure. And if what you see is not like what I'm showing you now, meaning a few things I've taken out, that's only me. I'm still in the editing process. I still want to make sure certain things are completed and done. But hey, this is your course. We moving out. We taking care of business. Okay, I'm gonna move back to the home screen. People, it is time to get started, and I hope you are highly motivated like I am and ready to get going. You're gonna get a chance to learn who I am. I'm Professor Sistrunk, and I've been teaching for 20 odd years. Don't tell nobody. I want to act like I'm young. But anyway, with that being said, I want you guys to be able to go in here and have fun. We're gonna have an excellent semester, and I need you guys to just work with me on this. If you have any problems, like I said, reach out to me. We're going to be able to do it. And I'm always going to put more and more information in every video log I send you. So with that being said, This is Professor Sistrunk signing off, and I will see you in class Monday.